Hi gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Bienvenido a mi canal. Let me stop singing because I suck at it. But anyways guys, I'm super excited because I am back with another makeup look. I haven't been here in like couple of months, maybe 6 months at that. I have to check my last makeup tutorial. I don't even remember. But anyways, we're going to begin with the makeup. I'm gonna do my eyes. I already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes off camera for the purpose of the video. I'm gonna be using this palette right here, and this is the Tresluce, and this is the I Am palette. This palette right here is super beautiful. I got this actually in my BoxyCharm and I haven't even used it. Like, this palette is like brand new, but I am in love with all the colors here, the warms, the beautiful browns, and a pop of greens. We're going to begin with this eye tutorial and see what my hands create. But guys, do you miss me? I'm back in my beauty room, back doing makeup. But anyways guys, let's stop talking and let's begin with the eyeshadow tutorial. So we're going to be using this color right here first. I don't know if you guys can see that. We're going to be using that on our lid, and that is Única. Pretty color. So I'm just going to place that right in my crease area, and I'm going to be using my Morphe brush just like that. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that in my crease area. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if you guys have this palette, but I just realized this. You ready for this? Hold on. Like, what? It's a magnet mirror. She is doing her thing. But anyways, I'm going to be using this because I'm like obsessed. Let's use the Única. I'm going to be using that in my crease area, and I'm just going to place it right here on the crease. And right now what I'm doing is I'm just stamping it just to give that color, that we want that color to come out. So remind you, I haven't used this palette yet, so this is my first time using this palette. And so far, because I hate fallout, I don't know if you guys like fallout. I definitely don't like fallout. So I'm liking a good shadow that does not have fallout, because sometimes I like to do my makeup with no fallout so I don't have to clean it up. I'm just putting it in the crease area, and I'm bringing it a little bit high and bringing it out a little bit more. I'm not blending it yet. All I'm doing is just packing the color because I want that pigment to come out. So I'm just going to do the other eye. This is like, it's giving me like a purpley brownish vibe. What do you guys think? That's what it's giving me. Alright, so I got the desired color for now, and I'm going to leave it just like that. So now I'm going to use a smaller, fluffier brush. I'm going to use this one right here. I'm going to grab this color right here, and that is Alma, and I'm going to place it right in the crease area on the bottom of this color right here. Put it right here in the crease area because we're trying to do like a transition shade just to bring out that dark color. And I'm just tapping it. Actually, I want a smaller little brush. I'm going to be using my Morphe M506, and this is a little smaller fluffy brush. And I'm just going to put it right in the crease area, lower. It's giving a little more dimension. And I'm going to grab that other fluffy brush that I was using, the Morphe brush, and I'm going to use Única again. And I'm just going to blend those two colors together. So that's how it's looking right now. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that brown color again, and I'm going to bring it in. But I'm going to be using this flat brush right here. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a flat brush, and this is the Morphe M410. And grab that dark brown again, and I'm going to do it like I'm doing like a wing. So it looks something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean out that product. I'm going to be using my micellar water and a little cotton swab, and I'm going to clean out that so I can cut the crease. I feel like this technique is way easier to do when you're trying to cut the crease and have that precise line. I know some people use Vaseline, which I want to try that technique. So I'm going to be using my Peas Louise blank canvas, and I'm going to use that to cut the crease, and I'm going to use my flat brush. And I love this if you guys are if you guys are trying to cut your crease and you want it to be super easy. I highly recommend this brush, and this is the Showstopper Beauty, and this is the CC1. I love this brush. It makes my life and my job so much easier. Like, you don't understand. Because cutting the crease is so tedious, but you have to be precise if you want to get that perfect line. So it looks just like that, and I'm going to cut the crease. I don't want to grab too much product. Alright, so I cut the crease. That's how it's looking like so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that dark color again, and I'm going to bring that half liner in. So like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this fluffy brush right here, the Morphe M506 again, and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm just fading it in. Now I'm going to grab this color right here, and this is Passion. It's like a reddish orangey color. And I'm going to grab that same fluffy brush that I used before, and this is the Morphe one. And I'm just going to use just a little bit of that color, just a tab, and bring it I'm going to be using this brush right here, and this is the Morphe M124. And I'm going to highlight my eyebrow, my brow bone. Now I'm going to be using this color right here. It has like a glittery color, and that's Divina. And I'm just going to use my finger, and I'm just going to place it right here on the center. Oh, that is pigmented. I didn't even spray it, and it's just so pigmented. That's beautiful. And grab my fluffy brush again and just bring that brown color together with that glittery white. So now I'm using my ColourPop, and this is ColourPop liquid liner in white, and I'm just putting a little white line on the center. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a wing liner. I'm going to be using my NYX Professional Makeup in black. And I'm going to wing my eyes. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my face really quickly so you could see, and then I'll be right back to finish underneath the eyes. All right guys, so I finished up my makeup. So now we're going to finish up the eyes. So I'm gonna be placing this green color right here. It's like a glittery green, and the name of it is Hustle. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it right over here in the center, right next to that brown and that glittery white color. And because I wanted a little pop of different dimension of color, and I think this brings out the whole entire look. Like, I think that is beautiful. I'm gonna do the other eye. And I'm just using my flat brush for this. And I'm doing like swiping motion, if you guys can see. And I'm bringing that brown color back in the corner, in the outer corner. And all I'm doing is pressing it in just so that brown can pop a little more. I'm not trying to blend it out. I'm just trying to bring that brown back. But I'm loving that pop of green. It like gave it a different type of look. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my little fluffy brush right here, and this is the Morphe 506, and I'm going to grab that brown again, and I'm just going to bring it down. I'm going to grab that reddish orangey color and put it beneath that brown, below that brown. Give it a pop. What is it? Give it a whirl. And now all I'm going to do is just put a little bit, I'm going to leave it like, actually I'm going to use a cream liner underneath my waterline just to brighten up my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Essence, and this is Extreme Lasting in Nude, and I'm just going to bring that eye back to life. You see the difference? This one and this one. Now I'm going to place this one too. Just waking up my eyes, and it just makes it look so much better. But now I'm going to just place mascara underneath my waterline. I'm going to be using my Stay All Night from e.l.f. Ooh, setting spray. Spray my face. I just love how good that smells. Smells like cucumbers. I love it. I'm going to be using from Juvia's Place. I'm going to be using Me, and it's this cute little color right here. Just simple. Twist it on my lid. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I'm obsessed with this eyeshadow. That green just gave it the pop that I need in my eyes. I'm just so in love, but I'm obsessed with the whole look. But if you guys like this look, comment down below and let me know if you do and if you want to see more makeup videos. But I'm going to leave it here, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup. And if you guys did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until my next video, guys, bye.